this tutorial we're going to be learning this beautiful stitch that's perfect for blankets. It goes by two different names, either a linen stitch ripple or a moss stitch chevron. Whatever you call it, it's really easy to learn, so let's get started. Start by making a slip knot using your preferred method, and then your starting chain needs to be a multiple of 19 plus 2. For the purposes of this tutorial, my starting chain is going to be 59, but you can make yours longer, for example, if you're making a blanket. So I'll meet you back here at the end of the chain. So before we move into row 1, there is one vital concept you need to understand before we get started, and this concept applies to any ripple or chevron stitch. And that is to get this ripple effect, so we've got peaks, valleys, peak, valley of the ripple. To get that, we stack increases on top of each other every row for the peaks and decreases on top of each other every row for the valleys. And these increases and decreases will vary depending on what ripple stitch you're learning. But once you have that concept down, you can crochet any ripple stitch. So yeah, let's move on to row 1 of the Moss Stitch Chevron. So the first row of this stitch is kind of a setup row because it's a little bit different to all future rows. So to start row 1, skip the first chain and work 2 single crochets. That's US single crochets. They're called double crochets in the UK. So do a US single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So we're going to skip this one and work 2 single crochets into that second chain from the hook. So there's my 2 single crochets. So we're now going to work a few stitches of moss stitch. This is sometimes called linen stitch. So we're going to chain 1, skip 1, and then single crochet in the next chain. And we're going to repeat those 2 steps 3 more times. So chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain. So far we've crocheted a total of 6 single crochets and 4 chain 1 spaces. And if I bring out my sample that I've already made here, we've now crocheted this section here and we're at a valley, so we need to do a decrease. So decreases in moss or linen stitch are quite easy. We're just going to skip 2 stitches. So skip, skip, and then into the chain after that we're going to work a single crochet. So skip, skip, single crochet. And we haven't done a chain 1 here, we've just done single crochet, skip 2, single crochet. So we're doing chain 1s while we were skipping over here. We're not when we do the decrease here. And then we're going to work 4 repeats of that moss or linen stitch repeat again. So chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain. So I've now done, after we skipped those 2 chains here, so this is where we skipped 2 chains, I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets and 4 chain 1 spaces since we did that skip 2 decrease here. So we are, if I bring my sample back down, we are now at the peak of the ripple. So we're going to do an increase, and to increase in this stitch, chain 2, 1, 2, then work a single crochet back into that same chain there. And that is our increase at the peak of the ripple. So we're going to work another stitch repeat together now, and we're going to repeat this repeat across the row. So we do linen or moss stitch for 4 stitches, decrease, and then moss stitch for another 4 stitches, and then we increase. So let's work that together, and I will pop the written instructions down here for you as well. So chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, and one more time, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. And sometimes it can be a little difficult to count how many repeats we're doing, so if I just show you here, so between our decrease here where we have skipped 2 chains and our increase here where we've made a chain 2 space here, you should have, not including those, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets and 1, 2, 3, 4 chain 1 spaces between the increase and the decrease here. And this is what we're going to do to repeat across the row. After we've done this setup row, it's a lot easier to keep track of our increases and decreases. So this setup row, you need to make sure you're counting it correctly, but it becomes a lot easier after we've done this first row. So we're now at a point where we're going to decrease. So we're going to do that same decrease again. So we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, then single crochet in the next stitch. So there's our decrease. Then we're going to chain 1, skip 1, single crochet 4 times. That's my first. So chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. So before we do these increases, I'm going to double check my stitches. So there is my skipped 2 chains there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets. So I know at this point I need to do an increase. We're going to do that same increase again, chain 2 and single crochet back into the same stitch. So repeat these steps all the way along until the end of the chain, and I'll meet you here because we do something different in our last stitch. So yeah, I'll meet you there. Don't forget you can rewind and slow down this tutorial if you want to go back and see how we do those increases and decreases. So yeah, I'll meet you at the end of the chain. So this is what your crochet should look like at the end of the chain, and if I show you where I'm up to, I've done a decrease and then I've worked my moss stitch for 4 repeats, and then I've just worked a single crochet in the final stitch, and our first and our last stitch is different to the rest of the stitch pattern. So if you remember all the way back at the end of the row, we worked 2 single crochets into the first chain. We're going to do this at the end of the row as well, and this just gives us somewhere to crochet at the edge of our work. So work a single crochet back into that same chain that we made the last one. So we've got 2. So we're now ready to change colour. So to change colour, chain 1, cut your yarn, use your crochet hook to pull that yarn end through that final chain and give it a pull to tighten to fasten off this colour. Now grab your second colour and I'll show you how we attach it. So I've pulled up the end of my second colour and I'm going to turn my piece of crochet over and then into this first stitch here. I'm going to put my hook into the top of the stitch underneath both of the loops at the top of the stitch. I'm going to grab my second colour. I'm going to lay my yarn end across my crochet hook and pull up a loop. And that's an easy way to change colour in this stitch. So we're now ready to start row 2, and row 2 we're going to be repeating over and over again for the rest of this piece of crochet. So there's only one row to remember from this point forwards. So to start row 2, make a chain of 1. This does not count as a stitch. Now work 2 single crochets back into that first stitch. So that's 1, 2. Next, chain 1, skip the next stitch and work a single crochet into this chain 1 space here. You can't really see it very well, so if I pull here, you can see I've got a chain 1 space there. So work a single crochet into it. So now we're going to repeat along working moss stitch until we get to our decrease. So let's work it together. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip 1 single crochet in the next space. So I've now worked a total of 6 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets and 4 chain 1 spaces. And if I have a look, there is no chain 1 space between the next 2 stitches because this is a decrease here. So we're not going to be working into either of these stitches, we're going to skip 2 just like we did on row 1. So for our decrease at the valley, we skip 2, 1, 2, and we single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Again, we're not making a chain 1 here, we're just moving straight into a single crochet. So skip, skip, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. And that is our decrease for the valleys of the ripple. Next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. We're going to continue doing that until we reach our chain 2 space. So chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Well, actually that was a chain 2 space, so we're at the increase. So once you reach that chain 2 space, into that space you're going to work a single crochet just like I've already done, and then we're going to do 2 chains and then a single crochet back into that same chain 2 space there. So that's our increase at the peak of the ripple. So we're going to repeat those steps all the way along, working in Moss Stitch until we reach a decrease and doing that skip 2 decrease, and then Moss Stitch until we reach an increase and doing a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the chain 2 space. So if you're happy with that, go ahead and pause this tutorial and I'll meet you at the end of the row and I'll show you how we finish off and move up into the next row. However, I am going to work another stitch repeat for those that need it. So chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. So I'm now at a decrease. I've got 2 single crochets with no chain 1, so I'm going to do a decrease at the valley of the ripple. So we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, then work a single crochet in the next chain 1 space, remembering not to make a chain 1 here, just 2 single crochets there. Next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next space, which is a chain 2 space, so we know we need to do an increase here. So we're going to work a single crochet into that chain 2 space, chain 2, and then single crochet back into that chain 2 space. So hopefully you've got that Moss Stitch Chevron Stitch in your head now, and I'll meet you at the end of the row and I'll show you what we do to finish off the row. So I'm almost at the end of the row and I've got 2 single crochets left unworked. To finish off the row, chain 1, skip 1, and then work 2 single crochets into that final stitch. So that's 1 single crochet and a second. My stitch is a little tight here so my hook doesn't want to go in. So there's my 2 single crochets. So next we fasten off this colour. So that's my colour fastened off, just like we did at the end of the last row. Then we turn our work over and we would join our second colour to that stitch, and we'd go back and repeat row 2, and you'd repeat row 2 over and over again until your blanket is the size that you want it to be. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll pop a playlist of some more fun crochet stitches you might like to try next. I'll see you again next time.